Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So it's that time again, start of a new trading week. And here is your free trading setup for the week ahead. Okay, so before we actually get into the video, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's get into the video. So it was a pretty, hectic start to June. Last week, a lot of my trades got stopped out. It happens. It's part of the game. What it kind of was telling me, so many trades getting stopped out, is that I needed to take a break and go recoup and take a few days off, which I did. I haven't looked at a chart since Tuesday and feeling refreshed and recouped. Looking forward to a nice trading week ahead. So volatility did pick up in the market around Tuesday last week, and basically what would have normally worked in normal conditions didn't. Volatility spiked up, and what was actually happening was they were just breaking through lower time frame areas like daily 4-hour zones and going straight to higher time frame weekly and monthly areas. Okay, so simply what I've done this week, what I've had to do this week, is simply adjust to the volatility coming back into the market and solely look at the higher time frame charts where the volatility is, and when it goes to those areas you will likely get a strong reaction. Okay, so this week's free signal is going to be on, our free trade setup, whatever you want to call it, is going to be on the Euro USD. Okay, and first things first, we're going to straight away to the higher time frame charts. We're not looking at any lower time frame charts here. Okay, and we have this area here from the March spike up to around 114. So we do on the monthly chart. Okay, so yeah, again, I am expecting price could pop up into this area in the week ahead. Okay, I'm going to zoom out here. We also have this weekly area here. Okay, we had this spike up in March up to 114, 114.5, I think. Nearly 115. Okay, this was one of the trades you took in March. And then it popped down and went right down from this area right down to 106, dropping nearly 1,000 pips. This is a really strong area in higher time frames. So it is a bit big just to taking a trade this zone. So what I need to actually do is zoom into a daily chart here and see if I can get a daily area in this right at the top. And what I'm looking to do here is here. Okay, so zoomed in. I'm not going any lower than this, and yeah, so the trade this week is going to be sell Euro USD at 114.4, and stop loss is going to be 100 pips, 115.5 or 115.4, and take profit. Okay, so I'm going to use a fib take profit here because if it comes up to here, we'll be off this huge leg up here, and take profit likely in around this area here. Okay, so take profit's going to be around 111. Okay, so 114.4, take profit 111. Okay, like I said, pretty simple setup. There is a lot of volatility coming into the market. I'm not like some of these trades I was taking last week. This one here on the Euro USD. Okay, I was expecting reaction at a, sorry, not that one, at an untested daily zone. Again, the volatility spiked up, and those lower time frame zones will just get taken out pretty quickly. Okay, that's what happened. Okay, it was, you see, we had a reaction here before in the daily charts. Again, volatility picks up, and it just it'll blow those trades out the door. So we need to look for the higher time frame areas only. Okay, and that's what I've done this week. So 114.4, and just move that. I'll type this in for you. So sell Euro USD at 1.144. stop loss is going to be 1, 1. So say 115. Okay, make it a nice round number. Take profit again 111. Okay, nice 3 to 1. There again, when the volatility's picked up, these moves can get go to the take profit pretty quickly. Okay, we are in the higher time frame there. We've just zoomed in from the monthly down to the weekly and down zoomed into the daily just to look for a possible entry, which is not as, I'll just go over in a minute, which is not as risk. There's not as much risk on it. Okay, so that's the trade there. Okay, we open Monday, we close on Friday, or what some people do, they just leave this trade on for the whole month. Okay, so each week you can just leave the trade on to the end of the month, or you can close at the end of the week. A lot of people have been reporting that that's what they've been doing and getting some nice results. Okay, so again, we'll just go over this trade. We have this monthly area here, kind of causing a bit of a resistance, higher time frame. Inside that, we have this area here from March that caused, you can see this from this drop here, there was nearly 1,000 pips. Okay, so basically, and if you look at this zone, it's pretty big, 200 pips. So we need to actually zoom in. We just can't take that trade there, so we'll zoom in to find this kind of origin of the move here. 114.4 would be a nice entry there. If you do see a MACD divergence signal happening in and around that area, okay, you can download this MACD divergence indicator and the description area of the video. Simply just take the MACD divergence signal. Okay, so really looking forward to the week ahead. Usually after I've had a losing week, especially last week, a big losing week, I come back pretty strong, and especially with having the 4-day break to recoup and refresh, which I hadn't really taken in a while, to be honest. The past few months, all the lockdown and things like that, there, you don't really get a chance to, especially trading, to go out and get away from the markets and do the things that you normally do, like go away and stay in a hotel for a few days away from where you actually normally live, or go to a spa, massage, and get relaxation, de-stress. A lot of that's been closed where I have been the past few months. Only opened up again on Tuesday or Wednesday this week, so been able to go and de-stress, relax, and ready to come back stronger than before. Okay, so that's your free trade setup for the week ahead. Have a great week. If you have any questions, let me know at fxace.com. If you want to sign up to the full signal service, just simply click the link below. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you on the next video.